Place the wheel shot blasting cabinet and the dust collector at the right position. Connect the pipes. Prepare the power cord and connect to the terminals inside the controller. N is for neutral wire. RST are for 3 firing wires. The green and yellow is for ground wire. 3 fire wires can be connected at will. If find the motor in wrong direction, exchange any 2 of them. Link the wires to the solenoid valve matching the same colors of wirings with each other. Link the fan motor wires. Refer to the wiring color sequence in this video. This is air source tube for compressed air in. Connect the air tube to the duct collector system for filter unit cleaning by vibrating. Add 75 kgs around steel shot or SS shot. Fasten the valve. Power on and load the wheel. Wait for 3 minutes. A clean wheel comes out. Effect after shot blasting.